Welcome back to our channel from cryptowichard, where we explore groundbreaking technologies shaping the world we live in. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Rndr coin, a revolutionary cryptocurrency that has the potential to transform the rendering industry. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Rndr coin, from its inception to its real-world applications. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get updates every time we upload a new video. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. Introduction to Rndr coin. Rndr coin aims to revolutionize the rendering industry by harnessing the power of decentralized computing. Traditional rendering processes often require expensive hardware and extensive resources, limiting access for individuals and small businesses. However, with Rndr coin, anyone with a computer and internet connection can contribute their idle processing power to the network. By connecting these machines through the Rndr network, users can collectively form a distributed rendering powerhouse. This approach not only significantly reduces costs but also allows for faster rendering times and increased productivity. The decentralized nature of Rndr coin ensures that there is no single point of failure, making the platform more resilient and reliable. One of the key advantages of Rndr coin is its cost-effectiveness. With traditional rendering methods, companies and artists often need to invest in expensive hardware or rent computing power from data centers. Rndr coin eliminates these barriers by utilizing idle resources from network participants. Individuals and businesses can contribute their spare processing power and earn Rndr coins as a reward, creating a mutually beneficial ecosystem. Rndr coin promotes a more secure rendering environment. The use of blockchain technology and smart contracts ensures data integrity and transparency. Each transaction and rendering task is recorded on the blockchain, making it immutable and verifiable. This enhances trust between clients and renderers, particularly when dealing with sensitive projects that require confidentiality and integrity. The potential applications of Rndr coin are vast and span across various industries. In the film and animation industry, for example, rendering complex scenes can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. Rndr coin enables artists and studios to tap into a distributed network of computing power, significantly reducing rendering times and allowing for faster turnaround on projects. Architectural visualization and gaming are other sectors that can benefit from Rndr coin. Architects can render photorealistic models of buildings and environments, while game developers can create stunning visual effects and realistic virtual worlds. By utilizing the Rndr coin network, these industries can push the boundaries of creativity without the constraints of limited resources. As the Rndr coin ecosystem continues to grow, the development team is actively working on expanding its compatibility with different rendering software and tools. This ensures that users can seamlessly integrate Rndr coin into their existing workflows, making the transition to decentralized rendering more accessible and convenient. Rndr coin represents a revolutionary approach to rendering services. By leveraging decentralized computing and blockchain technology, it offers a cost-effective, efficient, and secure solution for rendering complex graphics, animations, and visual effects. With its potential to democratize rendering and drive innovation in various industries, Rndr coin is poised to shape the future of the rendering landscape. The genesis of Rndr coin. The genesis of Rndr coin can be traced back to a team of visionary engineers and artists who identified the challenges and limitations of traditional rendering methods. They recognized the need for a decentralized rendering solution that could democratize access to rendering services and overcome the constraints of centralized systems. To achieve their vision, the team decided to leverage blockchain technology, which provides a secure and transparent framework for decentralized applications. Rndr coin operates on its own blockchain network, where transactions and rendering tasks are recorded and verified through a consensus mechanism. Smart contracts play a crucial role in the Rndr coin ecosystem. These self-executing contracts automatically enforce the terms and conditions of rendering agreements between clients and renderers. They ensure that the agreed-upon tasks are completed and facilitate the secure transfer of Rndr coins as compensation. By utilizing smart contracts, Rndr coin streamlines the rendering process, removing the need for intermediaries and reducing administrative overhead. Renderers can focus on their tasks without worrying about payment disputes or contract enforcement, while clients can have confidence in the transparency and efficiency of the system. The use of blockchain technology also enhances security and trust within the Rndr coin ecosystem. Each rendering task, along with its associated parameters and requirements, is recorded on the blockchain, creating an immutable and auditable history. This transparency fosters trust between clients and renderers, as both parties can verify the progress and completion of rendering tasks. The decentralized nature of Rndr coin ensures that there is no single point of failure. Traditional rendering farms or data centers can be susceptible to downtime, hardware failures, or even cyber attacks. In contrast, the distributed nature of Rndr coin's network makes it more resilient and resistant to such risks. Even if some nodes go offline, the network can continue to function and provide rendering services. The development team behind Rndr coin continues to refine and enhance the platform. They actively seek feedback from users and the community, incorporating improvements and new features based on real-world needs. This iterative approach ensures that Rndr coin remains at the forefront of rendering technology, offering an innovative and sustainable solution for artists, studios, and businesses alike. Rndr coin was born out of the vision to create a decentralized rendering solution that addresses the limitations of traditional methods. By operating on a blockchain network and utilizing smart contracts, Rndr coin automates and streamlines the rendering process, while ensuring transparency, security, and efficiency. With its focus on user feedback and continuous improvement, Rndr coin is set to revolutionize the rendering industry and empower creators worldwide. How Rndr coin works. Rndr coin harnesses the untapped potential of distributed computing by leveraging the idle processing power of network participants' machines. This approach allows individuals and businesses to contribute their spare computing resources to the Rndr network and earn Rndr coins as a reward. To participate in the Rndr network, users need to install the Rndr coin software, which acts as a rendering node. This software connects their machines to the network and allows them to contribute their processing power for rendering tasks. The Rndr coin software is designed to work efficiently in the background, utilizing idle resources without disrupting the user's regular activities. When a rendering task is submitted to the network, the Rndr network's algorithms intelligently distribute the workload among the available rendering nodes. Each node processes a portion of the task using its idle processing power, significantly reducing the time required to complete the rendering. This distributed computing approach allows for parallel processing, leading to faster rendering times compared to traditional methods. As users contribute their computing resources to the network, they earn Rndr coins based on their contribution and the computational power they provide. The more resources a user offers, the more Rndr coins they can earn. This incentive mechanism encourages active participation and helps create a vibrant and robust rendering ecosystem. Rndr coin employs a fair and transparent reward distribution system. The network measures the computational resources contributed by each node, ensuring that rewards are distributed proportionally. This approach promotes fairness and encourages users to offer their computing power to the network, strengthening the overall rendering capabilities of the system. Users can utilize the Rndr coins they earn within the ecosystem for various purposes. They can pay for rendering services within the network, covering the costs of their own rendering tasks or those of their clients. Rndr coins can also be traded on cryptocurrency exchanges, allowing users to convert them into other digital assets or traditional currencies. By tapping into the idle processing power of network participants' machines, Rndr coin democratizes rendering services. It breaks down the barriers of high costs and limited access to rendering resources, enabling individuals and small businesses to participate in rendering projects that were previously out of reach. This democratization of rendering has the potential to unlock new creative possibilities and empower a broader range of artists, designers, and content creators. Rndr coin leverages distributed computing by utilizing the idle processing power of network participants' machines. By connecting these machines through the Rndr network, users can contribute their resources, earn Rndr coins, and participate in rendering tasks. This decentralized approach not only reduces costs and speeds up rendering times but also enables a more inclusive and accessible rendering ecosystem for users worldwide. Benefits of Rndr coin. Rndr coin brings a paradigm shift to the rendering industry by democratizing access to rendering resources. Unlike traditional rendering methods that often require expensive hardware and substantial financial investments, Rndr coin enables anyone with a computer and internet connection to contribute their resources to the network. This decentralized approach breaks down the financial barriers, making high-quality rendering accessible to individuals and small businesses that may not have the resources to invest in their dedicated rendering infrastructure. By tapping into the idle processing power of network participants' machines, Rndr coin utilizes a distributed network of resources to handle rendering tasks. This significantly reduces the costs associated with rendering, as users do not need to purchase or maintain expensive hardware or pay for rendering services from centralized providers. Instead, they can utilize their existing computing resources and contribute to the network, earning Rndr coins in return. The cost reduction offered by Rndr coin has profound implications for individual artists, freelance designers, and small businesses. It enables them to compete on a level playing field with larger studios and established players in the industry. With the democratization of rendering, creativity and talent become the driving factors for success rather than financial resources. The reduced costs of rendering made possible by Rndr coin enable individuals and small businesses to take on more ambitious projects. They can tackle larger-scale rendering tasks, create visually stunning animations, and develop complex visual effects that were previously financially out of reach. This opens up new opportunities for artistic expression and expands the creative boundaries for content creators. In addition to the accessibility and cost advantages, Rndr coin also offers the benefits of efficiency and scalability. By utilizing distributed computing, Rndr coin can tap into a vast pool of idle processing power, allowing for parallel processing and faster rendering times. This not only improves productivity but also enables users to meet tight deadlines and deliver projects in a timely manner. As Rndr coin operates on a decentralized blockchain network, it is inherently scalable. The network can accommodate an increasing number of participants without compromising performance. This scalability ensures that the rendering ecosystem can grow and adapt to meet the demands of a rapidly evolving industry. Rndr coin democratizes rendering by providing a decentralized platform that allows anyone with a computer and internet connection to contribute their resources. This accessibility reduces costs, making high-quality rendering services available to individuals and small businesses. By leveraging the power of distributed computing, Rndr coin enhances efficiency, scalability, and opens up new creative possibilities for artists and content creators worldwide. Use cases and applications. The potential applications of Rndr coin span across numerous industries, making it a versatile and valuable tool for various creative and scientific endeavors. Let's explore some of the key sectors where Rndr coin can make a significant impact. Film and animation. In the film and animation industry, rendering complex scenes and visual effects can be highly time-consuming and computationally intensive. Rndr coin's ability to tap into a distributed network of resources enables faster rendering times, reducing production timelines and allowing artists and studios to bring their visions to life more efficiently. It empowers filmmakers and animators to create visually stunning and immersive experiences. Gaming. The gaming industry relies heavily on rendering to deliver realistic graphics, dynamic environments, and captivating visual effects. Rndr coin's distributed computing model accelerates the rendering process, enabling game developers to create high-quality, visually rich gaming experiences. This can enhance gameplay immersion, improve graphics fidelity, and push the boundaries of virtual worlds. Architectural visualization. Architects and designers often require high-quality renderings to showcase their projects accurately. Rndr coin's decentralized approach allows architectural visualization professionals to render photorealistic models, visualizations, and walkthroughs more quickly and cost-effectively. It enables them to present their designs with exceptional realism, aiding in client communication and project approvals. Scientific research. Rndr coins' potential extends beyond the creative industries. In scientific research, particularly fields like molecular modeling, astrophysics, or weather simulations, complex computations and visualizations are necessary. Rndr coins' distributed network can provide researchers with the computational power required for these demanding tasks, facilitating faster simulations and data analysis. By harnessing a distributed network of resources, Rndr coin offers faster rendering times, which directly translates into increased productivity and efficiency across industries. This allows professionals to iterate and experiment more rapidly, accelerating the creative process and fostering innovation. The accessibility and cost-effectiveness of Rndr coin democratize rendering services in these industries. Small studios, independent artists, and researchers with limited resources can now access high-quality rendering capabilities that were previously only available to larger organizations. This creates a more level playing field, encourages collaboration, and drives creativity and exploration. Rndr coins' distributed network also opens up new creative possibilities by enabling large-scale and complex rendering projects that were once financially prohibitive. Artists and designers can now take on ambitious projects, explore new visual aesthetics, and deliver visually striking experiences that captivate audiences. Rndr coins' potential applications are vast, spanning across film, animation, gaming, architectural visualization, scientific research, and more. Its ability to harness a distributed network of resources not only enables faster rendering times but also increases productivity, opens up new creative possibilities, and democratizes access to high-quality rendering services. Rndr coin is set to revolutionize the way rendering is done across various industries, empowering professionals to realize their visions and push the boundaries of creativity. The Rndr coin ecosystem. The Rndr coin ecosystem operates on a self-sustaining economy where users can acquire Rndr coins through various means and utilize them to access rendering services within the ecosystem. Let's delve deeper into the different ways users can acquire and utilize Rndr coins. Mining. Users can engage in mining activities to acquire Rndr coins. Mining involves contributing computing power to the Rndr network, which helps process and validate transactions on the blockchain. As a reward for their contribution, miners earn Rndr coins. Mining provides an opportunity for users to actively participate in the network and earn coins through their computational resources. 2. Cryptocurrency exchanges. Users also have the option to purchase Rndr coins on cryptocurrency exchanges. These exchanges provide a marketplace where users can trade their fiat currencies or other digital assets for Rndr coins. This allows users to acquire Rndr coins without engaging in mining activities and provides greater flexibility and accessibility. Providing computing resources. Another way users can earn Rndr coins is by providing their computing resources to the Rndr network. Users can connect their machines to the network and offer their idle processing power for rendering tasks. As they contribute their resources, they earn Rndr coins as a reward. This incentivizes users to actively participate in the rendering process and strengthen the overall capabilities of the network. Once users acquire Rndr coins, they can utilize them within the ecosystem to pay for rendering services. When users have rendering tasks that need to be processed, they can submit them to the Rndr network, and the tasks will be distributed among available rendering nodes. The nodes then use their computing power to process the tasks and complete the rendering. Clients can pay for these rendering services using their Rndr coins. This self-sustaining economy ensures that Rndr coins have intrinsic value within the ecosystem. As more users join the network, the demand for rendering services increases, driving the value and utility of Rndr coins. Users who provide computing resources are rewarded with Rndr coins, creating an incentive for continued participation and network growth. The ability to use Rndr coins for rendering services streamlines the payment process and eliminates the need for traditional payment methods. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more trading videos and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content.